symmetrical shape that can be defined as a single primary line that is terminated by a secondary line at one endpoint and by a secondary line at the other endpoint. The terminating secondary lines are at right angles to the primary line. Its parallel sides are of indefinite length and can be indefinitely long. The word Balbis comes from the ancient Greek word meaning a rope between two posts used to indicate the start and finish of a race. So basically this is the shape of a bulbous. Now the most common example of a bulbous is the capital letter H. So basically we are going to try to write the letter H using this pi plot thing. Okay, so let's start. So what we will do, we will specify the coordinates and we will from bottom to top we will specify the coordinates and then the pi plot will plot this for us. It should plot this for us, but there is a trick I will tell you as we progress with the video.
Now, as you can see, we'll first import the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and then we'll specify the coordinates. Here LLBX stands for left limb bottom x coordinate, then RLBX stands for right limb bottom x coordinate. Then for some example, I am illustrating the codes. LLBY stands for left limb bottom y coordinate, and RLBY stands for right limb bottom y coordinate. So you can see this is a H bounded between -1 and +1 with the middle point lying at 0, 0. So now I will specify the x coordinate here, and then I will use the plt.plot and plt.show, these two commands to plot the file. So let us see what happens. So once I try to run this command, I will show that instead of plotting H, it is plotting N. This is happening because I have started from here, LLBX. You can see first point is here, LLBX and LLBY. So it is starting at this point. Starting and last point is RLTX and RLTY. So you can see that it is starting at this point and moving along this, it is coming to right limb top x and right limb top y. So starting from this, it is coming to this. So we have to, what we have to do, we have to go from here, then come back to here, and then again go from here to here, then again either we have to come this way and then go back, then again here. So we have to keep this in mind. So let's try these modifications. I have to start here at this point. This one is this left limb x and y bottom. Then I have to go to middle. Then these 2 points are, these 2 coordinates are middle coordinates. Then I have to go to top. Then this one is set top. Then I have to come back. So this is again I am coming back to this point. So I am coming back. Then I have to move to this point. So here is the middle point at the right. Then I have to move to bottom, this point. So I am moving to this point. Then I have to again come back to right middle. I have to come back to right middle, and then I have to go to right top. So here is the right top. So you can see here that this is the thing. Here, 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 then here. So in this way I am drawing this bulbous or the letter H. So I think this illustrates everything. So if I now try to run this, let's see what happens. So the h is displayed correctly in this case. So I think the point has been made clear in this tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.